I, you, I, you, he, she, it, they, he, they, it, they, I am here. He is there. She is here. She is there. It is here. It is there. They are here. They are there. You are there. You are there. You are here. We are here. It is there. They are there. We are here. They are here. This is a man. This is a woman. That is a man. That is a woman. This man is here. That man is there. This woman is here. That woman is there. This is a table. This table is here. It is here. That is a table. That table is there. It is there. This is a hat. It is a hat. This is a hand. This is the thumb. These are the fingers. This is my head. This is my hat. My hat is in my hand. It is in my hand. My hat is on my head. It is on my head. This is my hat. That is his hat. His hat is on his head. Her hat is in her hand. That is your hat. It is on the table. Those are your hats. They are on the table. These are my hands. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. Those are your hands. That is your right hand. That is your left hand. His hat is on the table. He will take his hat off of the table. He is taking his hat off of the table. He took it off of the table. He will put his hat on his head. He is putting his hat on his head. He put his hat on his head. He put it on. It was on the table. It is on his head. He will take his hat off of his head. He is taking his hat off of his head. His hat is in his hand. It was on his head. He took his hat off. It is in his hand. This is a hat. These are hats. This is a hand. These are hands. This is a table. These are also tables. This is a man. These are also men. This is a woman. These are also women. This is a man. This is his hand. It is the man's hand. This is a woman. This is her hand. It is the woman's hand. This is a man's hat. It is on a man's head. Now it is in the man's hands. It is in his hands. This is a woman's hat. It is on a woman's head. Now it is in the woman's hands. It is in her hands. He will give his hat to the man. He is giving his hat to the man. He gave it to the man. He gave it to him. It is in the man's hands now. The man will give his hat to the woman. He is giving his hat to the woman. He gave it to the woman. He gave it to her. It is in the woman's hands now. The woman will put the hat on the table. She is putting the hat on the table. She put it there. It was in her hand. It is on the table. This is a ship. These are ships. The ship is in the bottle. These ships are on the water. This is water. This is water. This is a bottle. The bottle is in the man's hand. This is a glass. It is on the table. Now the glass is off of the table. The glass and the water are on the floor. This is a bottle. And this is a bottle. This and this are bottles. This is a glass. And this is a glass. These are glasses. That is a bird, and that is a bird. Those are birds. They are birds. That man and that woman are there. This man and this woman are here. This is a man. These are his arms. These are his legs. These are his feet. This is an arm. This is a leg. This is a foot. This is a table. These are its legs. Its feet are on the floor. This is a chair. These are its arms. These are its legs. Its feet are on the floor. This is a room. This is a picture. This is the floor of the room. This is a window. This is a door. This is also a door. These are the windows of the room. This is a window, and this is a window. This window is shut. This window is open. This door is open. This door is shut. This is a wall of the room. A picture is on this wall. This is a wall. This is the floor of the room. This is a picture of a man and a woman. This is the cord of the picture. This is a hook. This is the frame of the picture. This is a house. This is a window of the house. These are the windows of the house. This is the door of the house. These are houses. This is a street. This is a man in the street. That is his house. The man will go to his house. He is going to his house. The man went to his house. He is there. He went there. He was here. He is at his door. He is at the door of his house. What is this? It is a hat. What is this is a question. It is a hat is an answer. This is a question mark. We put question marks after questions. Is that a hat? That is a question. Yes, it is. That is an answer. Is that a hat? No, it is not a hat. It is a hand. That is an answer. What is this? It is a house. What is this? It is a boat on the water. What is this? It is a table. What is this? It is a bottle. What is this? It is a leg. What is this? It is an arm. What is this? It is the leg of a table. What is this? It is the arm of a chair. What are these? They are 3 men. And what is this? That is a woman. What are these? Those are 4 glasses. And what is this? That is a glass. What are these? Those are fingers. And what is this? That is a thumb. What are these? Those are 3 windows. And what is this? That is a door. What are these? Those are houses. And what is this? That is the street. What is this? This is the picture of a man and a house. And what is this? That is the frame of the picture. What are these? These are feet. And what is this? This is a foot. What is this? This is a room. What is in it? A table is in it. Is the hat on the table? Yes, it is on the table. Is the man in the room? Yes, the man is in the room. Is the picture on the wall? No, the picture is on the floor. Is the bird on the bench? No, the bird is on the floor. Is the glass in the woman's hand? No, the glass is in the man's hand. Is the water in the glass? No, the water is not in the glass. Is this ship in a bottle? No, the ship is on the water. Are the man and the woman at the door? Yes, they are.